Good morning, all. This is Chola Crypto, and today we will review Algorand and its native token Algo, and what the project is doing. How interesting is this project? Before that, Bitcoin is at 16,650 at this point of time, and still, it's pissing off a lot of people, and it's really disappointing that it's not moving up. Yes, the market is really bearish, but whether it will move or not, we will know by next week because it can't be like this for long. And either it has to go down to 12,000 or it has to move up to 21,000. That's what I'm expecting, given there is a decent volume that is coming in and the exchange reserve is also okay. And the whales are in the market right now, is what I am seeing. So the big hands, the major players are accumulating Bitcoin at this point of time. That was even confirmed by Michael Saylor, who is one of the top Bitcoin holders, as you all know. So let's move into Algorand. What is Algorand? Algorand is again a blockchain, a proof of stake blockchain similar to Cosmos, Polkadot, Cardano, and Solana. So what Algorand does is technically an advanced project. So I've been noticing this from 2018-19 onwards, this project, and they have their own mainnet. I think they launched in 2019, and pretty much they are very good. Why it was pumping yesterday? Because Algorand has a partnership with FIFA. I believe it's with FIFA. They have some partnership, and let me just quickly get into that one. Uh, Technology ecosystem announcement. Yes, they already have partnership with some FIFA plus Collect powered by, so the entire Algorand community felt that no, there'll be some pump from this FIFA World Cup that is coming up. So based on that, the market moved up. So they've been in touch with FIFA for quite some time now, from 2022 onwards, September 2022 onwards. So that's pretty good. They are working with FIFA Collect, which is a very good news. But that's not the only thing. Algorand has got a very good technology, as far as I'm concerned. That some of the notable projects, if you could see in their economy, that new to the creator economy, there are some projects they are creating right now. And what is trending in DeFi, Algo 5 is good. Yield, Yield, Yieldly, Folks Finance. I think these are not on the top 10, but they are somewhere in the bottom. In let's check in DeFi Llama. But overall, uh, I think the projects you have to watch is Flex NBA. It's Zone, the drone racing. All these are pretty much available in Algorand. Top tools are also available. Payment tools at Pay. I'm not sure what it is, but looks like there is some good activity happening in NFT, and highest rank projects in Algorand also is provided Algo Fund, Kafila, Thinking, all these things. Just have a look at this one. But overall, they have done very good development as far as I'm concerned. The See, the smart contract, say the Algorand virtual machine supports smart contract with Turing complete language, larger program sizes, more state. The language that they use is transaction execution approval language. It's called TEAL. That's good. So this AVM runs on every node in Algorand blockchain and contains a stack engine that executes smart contracts and smart signatures. So they are smart contracts, smart signatures, scalable, they are fast and secure, reduce risk, low cost to execute, increase speed. Pretty much on those lines, technically it's a good project I've been seeing. They have very good funding, they're backed very well, they have a very good ecosystem, they have good announcement ecosystem directory, developer resource. Overall, from the project, let's see who the team members are. Yeah, these are the founders. That's all fine, but I've not closely followed up these people, but they are in the space for quite some time. And as I told you, you can always find a project top 27. It's in top 27. The only thing that I am really concerned about Algorand is the supply. So the supply is too much. So circulating supply is say about 7 billion, and the max supply is 10 billion. So that's the only negative point. Other than that, I think from the technical standpoint, from whatever they achieved so far, whatever they're developing, partnership with FIFA, Collect, and all those stuff, it's all pretty good. But overall, stories are stories. Let's get into the bottom of business. It can handle say about a million transactions per day as of December 2020. I'm not sure the latest, but that's what it does. In the previous bull run, it did $2.8, as I think it did around $2.8 in the previous bull run. Let's check quickly. Um, where is it? Where is it? Price. I'm sure it did $2.8, 2.4 to $2.8 in the previous bull run. But as of now, 2.04 is what the 1 year trend is showing. But even it's an opportunity, right? Let's get to the business of what the price could be in the next run. So basically, um, I would say we are stuck here at 30 cents right now. From 29 cents, we moved to 30 cents. The next target I would really love to see in Algorand with that kind of supply. If the market moves, if Bitcoin moves to 18, 20,000, if the market moves, always please make a note of this. The altcoins are currently following the Bitcoin. Everything is dead as of now. Majority of them. The fundamentals, non-fundamentals, memes, everything is dead right now. So the Bitcoin has to move first. So I prefer always buying some Bitcoin and buying some altcoin always, where we can keep the market moving. But overall, now given the fact the next stop where I see when the market moves is, you see this here, I'm expecting this to clearly go out of 32 cents in the next move up. So my target would be first 32 cents. Once we have the 32 cents, we need to see this 42 cents after that. You see this? 42 cents. So overall, from 30 cents, we need to crack on to 32, 33 first. That's the first threshold. The second threshold is the 41 cents mark. In fact, it's 42 cents mark, 42.70. And the next is 50 cents. So I'm expecting if the market moves to say about 20, 21,000 from here, Bitcoin moves to that price, I'm clearly seeing a 42 to 48 cents movement for Algorand. So my target for Algorand is 50 cents. If the Bitcoin market is aggressive, if it is going to go to 44, 25 cents, I am clearly seeing a 75 cents of Algorand. That's the positive aspect. So overall, I'm very conservative in my approach always. Whenever I buy something, I see 50 cents as the primary target when the market moves up. First, you need to crack on 33 cents, next 40 cents, and after that, it will definitely go to 50 cents. So, if you buy something for 30 cents now, it's possibility it might go to 50 cents. Again, subject to the market movement. So, please have that in mind. Always have a positive aspect, negative aspect. You never know. The war is going. A lot of shit happening across the globe right now. FTX has failed from nowhere. You never know what's going to happen. So we may completely be surprised by something. If that kind of surprise happens, I see it going next to say about 17 to 20 cents. This is the target. From here on, when it goes down, it's not going to go very fast because there is a base price for all the tokens. I think we have reached the base price as of now. You can see here, that's where you will go down. So when you go down, max you can go down to this one, 17 cents. That's what I'm seeing if the market goes down. But if the market goes up, I clearly see a first target 33 cents, 40 cents, after the 50 cents. But definitely this is going to happen. Of 12 years, the market has moved really from now. The bottom it has moved up 80% bottom it has moved up. So given that we are in the correct market standards at this point of time, this is the right time to purchase. All right. Think long term always in crypto. This is not financial advice. Again, crypto is huge risk. and always do your own analysis. I'm giving you all the good stuff that I know. Whatever helped me in the previous bull run, I'm just giving you all that, and I want everybody to benefit out of this. There are some newbies who can come into this market knowing without knowing what to do, but this is what I'm trying to help you all. There is a risk. Without risk, you can't make out anything in business or in any type in any business. Simple as that, in a life business, whatever it is. So I would suggest, take the risk. Whatever you can afford to lose, invest that. That's it. If you have commitment for $10,000, have that commitment money. If you have excess of say about $1,000 or $500, try to invest that currently in the bear market. So once the bull market comes, you should all be good in your investments. It should be profitable for you. Always diversify your investment. Thank you so much, guys. Hope this is helpful. Just leave your comments, subscribe, give a like if you like my content. Thanks so much. Cheers.